Often we want to create a document, a master document, that comprises of separate files, separate subdocuments. You have a feature called master documents, subdocuments in Word. And to work with master documents and subdocuments, you need to be in a particular view called Outline. So I have a new document open, and from the ribbon I'm going to click on View, and I'm going to click Outline. And this is specifically designed for working with master documents and subdocuments. Immediately I'm thrown into this view. I'm going to start by typing my text, Introduction. Notice this is a heading 1 also. My next heading is Background. So these are all headings in my document. So I just create the outline or structure of my master document. Now what I'd like to do is turn each of these into a subdocument. The first thing I need to do is on the outlining tab in the ribbon and in the master document group is click the button Show Document. Now I've got extra options, and what I can do is now hit the button Create, and this will create a subdocument. And it's indicated by this border around the outside and this little square on the top corner. If I click on Background, I can click Create, History, Create, and I'm creating 6 subdocuments which will ultimately form this master document. What I might like to do now is actually save the master document. So I'm going to the File tab in the ribbon and clicking the button Save. If I then choose my desktop, I'll save this file as master. When I click the Save button, not only will it save the master document, but it will indirectly create 6 subdocuments or files, and each file will have the name that's in the heading. So I'll end up with a file called Introduction, a file called Background, a file called History, a file called Structure, a file called Recommendation, a file called Conclusion, and a file called Master. So I'll click Save and OK. If I went to go Open, File and Open, I can see here now I have a file called Background, Conclusion, History, Introduction, and so on and so forth, and Structure. If I choose Cancel, if I want to open up the subdocument Introduction, I would simply double click the little square in the top left corner. And this opens up the file Introduction. If I click the Close button in the top right corner, I'll return to my master. If I want to lock these particular subdocuments, I have the option to lock the document, and this allows me to stop changes being made at a master document level. I can also unlock the document by clicking this button here. And if I want to close the outline view, I just click the Close Outline View button. I can then return to my outline view by going to View in the ribbon and choosing Outline. You can also collapse subdocuments by hitting this button here. And this allows you to see the path in which each of these files is located. And if I expand subdocuments, I go back to seeing their titles. And I'll close the outline view. As people work on each subdocument, this master document will start growing in terms of content, and it's a way of bringing many separate files together into one file. When it comes to headers and footers and an index and table of content and styles, this would all be done at a master level. And I would just dedicate somebody to work on each subdocument and watch the document come together.